Guys, hey guys, this might be the greatest sunset of my life. Just wanted to let you guys know. Mr. Base Science reporting from the field. We have found the best sunset of our lives. I'm feeling, like I say, I feel good as a motherfucker kinda lot during this experiment. And I actually mean it every single time I said it. But this is the biggest I feel good as a motherfucker. Yeah, boy. That I think I have had. What? It must be years. It must be years. We have this freaking ocean pool that's super calm right now. Super calm, so you can just freaking lay down and enjoy the sunset. I just had some of that fresh liver. Yeah, food matters a little bit. That fresh liver with this environment. This is like the peak being a human. Only thing that would make this better is family, love. You could share this with your family and loved ones. Only thing that could make this better. Then it would be like the best human experience you can have on this earth. But right now it's still 10 out of 10. We gotta test it ourselves first, and then we know what's up. We really know what's up, and we can bring the family. We can raise the family in an environment like this. Nothing like this, guys. Nothing like this. Nothing beats this in this life. Yeah. Just a nice little improv based science reporting from the field. This science is pretty fucking awesome, I gotta tell you. Doing real science fucking rocks. It fucking kicks ass doing real, based in reality science. Think about it. How much of the studies that all of these people reference and talk about, how many of them are being done in an environment even closely like this? None of them. Maybe a couple ones. Most of it is done in completely shit environment that they can't even account for all the things that affect human physiology. They just test this one thing out of the thousands, maybe millions of things that affect human physiology. Oh man. Base science is the best around. Nothing's gonna keep us down in 2026. Man, I feel like Super Saiyan. I feel like I leveled up in the Great Corn. It's no more the Big Corn. It's the Great Corn Island. Because I feel great as a motherfucker in here. Anyway guys, life is pretty awesome. Catch you later, alligators.